What if I told you, pal, a simple oil drum maker turned his small business into a $1 million corporation frame just by understanding one secret? Let me explain everything. Meet our friend, Duaring, a small oil drum manufacturer. Every single year, customers choose HIM over competitors' dyed. But then, one day, something dramatic happens. Customers demand far more oil drums than he can possibly produce. The solution is clear. He must build a bigger factory. But there is one massive problem. He needs exactly $3 million to make it happen. Where will he find that money? Here comes the genius move for him. He decides to form a corporation cunning and raise the money by selling shares of his business to the general public. Step 1, he walks straight into the state government office and applies for an official corporation charter, getting legal permission to sell shares in his business to the public. Step 2, he visits a powerful investment banker, he shows him the company's impressive past performance records bill and presents his exciting future expansion plans.
Step 3 Chwebo, and this is crucial cut. Before selling even one single share boto, all information must be officially filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Both the owner and the banker must legally swear pied that every single piece of information they file contains nothing but the T-root. Now listen carefully. SEC registration does not mean the government calls it a geode investment. It simply guarantees if any information is false. Step 4 third, after SEC approval there, the investment banker hands over exactly $3 million to the owner there and receives corporation shares in return. The deal is done. Step 5 the investment banker now sells those shares as common stock to the general public at a price that returns his full $3 million. Here is the best part, Tariye. When you buy even one share here, you literally become a fiat owner of that corporation. And DHIs is the beautiful power of the stock market. Businesses get capital to zero, investors get a chance to build their wealth. Now you know exactly how the stock market works, from zero to corporation. If this helped you, share it with your friends right now.